Okay, so today we're doing slope. We're going to work with the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? So, this type of problems, they're going to give you two order pairs. In this case, we have 2, 3 and 8, 9. Okay? It is up to you to choose which one is going to be your x2 and your y2. I always like to say this is x1, y1, x2, and y2. Okay? Remember, the first number is the x, the second number is the y. And always, if you put x1 here, the y has to have a 1. In this case, x2, the y has to have a 2. Okay? You cannot mix them up like x1, y2. It doesn't work like that. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? So now, I'm going to write my formula. Instead of y2, I'm going to use 9 minus, notice that the formula has a minus, so you put the minus and then you go to y1. In this case is 3, so 9 minus 3 over x2 is this one here, 8 minus my x1 is 2. Okay? And now it's basic math. 9 minus 3, 6, and 8 minus 2 is 6. What happens when you have the same number top and bottom? They cancel out, so this equals 1. Okay? So m equals 1. Okay? Example 2, I have -4, -6, and 3, -2. Okay? Again, for this one, I'm gonna choose x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? I'm gonna do here my formula. M equals, like you have it here. First, I'm gonna use y2. In this case, it's -2. So -2. Okay, remember, minus y1, in this case, is -6. Okay, so I'm gonna write inside a parenthesis -6. Okay, this is so you do not get confused. The formula already has a negative sign, and your number, in this case y1, has a negative as well. Okay, you have to write both negatives. Let's see the bottom, x2, in this case is 3. The formula has the minus x1, in this case is -4. So again, parenthesis, -4. Okay? There's one way that I like to remember that it makes it easier, is this. When you have back-to-back negatives, it's a multiplication. Negative times negative is a positive. But what I say is a happy face. Okay? If you have a happy face, it becomes a plus. So I'm gonna have -2 plus 6. Okay? Then on the bottom I have another happy face, so this is gonna be a plus. So I have 3 plus 4. Okay? Now, this is -2 plus 6. If you don't remember how to add negative numbers, -2 means you owe $2, and +6 means you have $6. So if you have $6 and you spend 2, you end up with 4. Since you still have $4, it's positive. And then the bottom, 3 plus 4, 7. Can we simplify the 4 and the 7? No. So this is our answer. Okay? Remember, check my website and leave me a comment if you have any trouble. Thank you.